Okay guys, so this is Msang here and this is the walkthrough for the Instagram logo tracing exercise. I hope you are prepared. It's actually not that difficult. Okay, so let's start from the beginning. So I've already have my logo on the first layer. I have locked it so that it won't move. So this icon means I'm on the wrong layer. I cannot do anything. I cannot draw anything. Make sure you're on the tracing layer. And if you don't want to see green color, you want to change the color of the lines, okay, click here and it will change. But for now, let's leave it. So I want a square with rounded circle, rounded edges. So click and hold and look for ellipse rectangle tool. Okay, and press shift to get a square. Okay, this is where you don't want any fill, to be honest, and you want to maybe have a black outline so it's a bit more obvious. Press the selection tool, or you either go back to selection tool here to select your shape, or I'm pressing Control on my keyboard actually so that I can resize it. Okay, so if not, it's just here and then you press shift and resize. Use your arrow key to adjust. So now I want to have a rounded corner. I will need to use transform. Look for transform, please. Windows, transform. Okay, so you're looking at this part, corner type. So increase until you get the corner type that you're happy with. Okay, and then you can duplicate, Control C, Control V. Control C is copy, Control V is to paste. Okay, press shift again to do this. And then you realize that it's the rounded corners are too round. So to lessen it, you can just do this. Okay. Again, select this smaller one, Control C, Control V to copy and paste. Resize it until it's the height and width are the same, and reduce the corner radius so that it fits closer. So now I have 3 rounded squares. Okay, and I need to draw 1, 2, 3 circles. So go back to the ellipse tool. Let me zoom in here. Around this area, press shift on my keyboard, draw the circle, adjust, okay, and press shift, draw my circle, press shift, draw my circle. I don't have a fill because my setting here is no fill and black outline. So you can set that before you draw your shapes. Go back to tool. Okay, I need to resize this, it's slightly too big. And resize. Okay, so I'm happy with the shapes I have now. So let's do the gradient. So this gradient is there. Just let me check, this still recording. Very good. Okay, the gradient is there. So like I mentioned, to get your gradient tool, you can type, double click here, it will come out. Or if you're not sure, you can go to Windows and gradient. Gradient just here. Okay, so if I click that again, it disappears. Click it again, gradient. So by default, your gradient is actually black and white. That's what you'll see. Okay, so we can see that we got a bit of blue here, and then purple, then pink, then orange. So let's pick the blue first. Blue, and then the light orange on this side, followed by purple. Let's see. Oops. What did I do? I clicked something. Oh, I selected that. That's what the color. It's gone off. No worries. Okay. Blue, orange, and then I pick purple. Then I pick my pink. And then I maybe, it looks okay. I don't think I need that. If you want, you can actually change it, you know, so that's more pink. You can even drop more pinks if you want, more purple. Okay, so this is like that. You can just swap it. Yeah, if you want something even lighter, let's say, okay, maybe this, I want this light and I want a darker orange. Sure. Okay, but that definitely looks weird. If you don't want that color, drag it down to drop it. Okay, this is me. I clicked, so there was a double purple. So if you don't want, click, pull down, it will disappear. So this is what I'm looking at. So I'm happy with that.